Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The road to recovery for the young boy who was mauled by dogs in rural St. Anne on Sunday will be a long one. Mickele Allen and his mother were flown to the United States this afternoon, where he will undergo emergency surgery this weekend. Jamaica Pullen has this Primetime News follow-up.
5-year-old Mickele Allen is seen here enjoying a light moment with a nurse on board an aircraft before takeoff.
High five, Mickele. Come, ready? Go. Come now, look at the landing high five. Nice.
Mickele is heading to New York in the U.S., where he will undergo critical medical treatment.
I feel excited and I'm thankful.
Miss Grinley says her son is in good spirits. As a matter of fact, she was surprised when he started a conversation with her this morning.
When I saw him this morning, he asked me if I saw his sister and what is she doing, all those stuff, and he said he's going to go back home to play with her.
After news of the incident went viral, Jamaicans from the diaspora rushed to the family's assistance. Good Samaritan Andrew McGlone, the CEO of World Media Television, organized and led the mission.
It's in the region of $120,000. That money's already been raised to cover his cost, to cover the cost of his initial surgeries and treatment. So that was raised in the States prior to us coming down here to bring him back. There's ongoing care, and until he's had his first set of surgeries, they will not know what that means. So we have no idea of what the ongoing cost.
The team advised TVJ News that based on preliminary assessments, it will be months before little Mickele is fully recovered from his wounds.
This is not a quick fix, and I would really want the Jamaican community to be patient with the child that is there. And there are a lot of socioeconomic things happening with even the family that's left back here. So we have to be very mindful how much we push these buttons.
It's very hard, and when I see him, I cried, but I have to try to live with it. It's very hard to live with him, but I'm trying to cope.
The 5-year-old was attacked by dogs on Sunday while on his way home from a nearby shop in St. Deca, St. Anne. Mickele was bitten all over his body. Jamaica Pullen, TVJ News.